Mark here from the Sport Boy channel, and I'm here with my brother David.
Hi!
And today we're doing the fruit challenge. Last time we did the chip challenge, I won 5-2. This time we're doing the fruit challenge. So,
okay, we start from fruit number 1. I put it on your plate.
Okay.
I wonder what it is.
And tell me what it is.
Pear.
Oh, this is disgusting. This is like apricot.
This is pear or apricot.
Oh, this is horrible. What?
Pear.
Hey, so
Pear.
Okay,
Apricot.
fruit number 2. I put it on your plate.
You did?
I put it now. Yep.
Banana.
There we go.
Banana.
Where do I put this?
No, leave it on your plate.
Okay. No.
Banana.
Banana. That's
Okay.
the only
Are you ready for fruit number 3?
Yep.
Yep. Okay. So that's a bonus point.
What
Where
is
is it?
this? Oh my gosh, what is this?
You tell me what it is.
yak. I think it's orange or something.
No, it is,
Yak.
it is,
I'm not using that.
it is, apricot.
Okay, David, what are you saying? What is it? What it tastes like?
Tastes like orange.
Okay. Fruit number 4?
Could you put it in my hands?
Yes. That's the one.
Apple.
It's another one.
Apple.
Two?
Apple.
No, I'll give you one.
Oh, okay, wrong one then.
Yep, that's the one.
Apple.
Apple. Hey, you copied me.
I knew it was apple.
I said it first.
So?
What's the color of the apple?
Green.
Red,
Well done.
because it's sour.
No, you copied.
Red is sour apples. Red is kind of sweet.
No, red is not much water. This has lots of water.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, you don't have to finish that. I'll give you fruit number 5.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, that's finishing it.
Okay, finish your apple.
Go.
I'll give you fruit number 5. Put it on the plate. And on your plate, David.
Kiwi.
Kiwi.
I'm a mind reader.
Apricot. 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 Apricot.
David, fruit number 5 is on your plate.
Was it this?
No, that's the one. Yes.
Oh, yeah, kiwi. I just got
Okay,
one.
Marky, would you like to add some jokes, anything, comments?
Let's say, oh yeah guys, I forgot to tell you, I have this new thing going on, which is called a shout out to a YouTuber. And I'm going to do this every video, or if I remember to do it. And today, I pick Erin Team HD, just an awesome YouTuber, and I just say, if you want to watch this video, just feel free to. He's an awesome YouTuber.
Yeah, we watched
Okay.
him.
Say bye-bye.
Bye guys.
Bye.